What's up, everybody? What's up? What's good? What's going on in your hood? Listen, I made some spaghetti. Let me tell y'all, I made some bomb spaghetti. Bomb. If you don't know, I make some bomb spaghetti. Listen, growing up, my mom and my dad, they made spaghetti different. My mom made spaghetti more saucy. My dad made spaghetti more meaty. I prefer more meaty, but I kind of try to do both. Let me see if I can give y'all a little bit of view without making it like pour over. Homemade spaghetti. What do you think about that? Oh yeah, it's going down. It's going down. Let's go ahead and dig in. So yeah, let's go ahead and dig in this homemade spaghetti right here. It's gonna be so good. But before we do that, I wanna add a little bit of hot sauce and Parmesan cheese. Got to do that. I love to use Kraft. I don't use the cheap version. I can't use like store brand Kraft. I'm not a big fan of store brand dairy products. Has to be a name brand if it's gonna be dairy. I don't know why, it just has to be. Gotta put a good amount of that on there. I don't know. It's just better. A whole lot better. And hot sauce. Oh man. The hot sauce with that on there, oh my God. Oh. Son, delicious. Let's go ahead and dig in. That's good. That's awesome. Y'all, let's talk about this. There's a big debate going on about whether or not you're supposed to add sugar in your spaghetti. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you add sugar in your spaghetti? Yes or no? For me, heck yeah. I add sugar in my spaghetti. I don't put it in there after, but I put my sugar in there like when I'm cooking it. I add the sugar when I'm cooking it in the sauce. It's like a balance. It's supposed to like balance out the tart. Correct me if I'm wrong. I could be, but it's supposed to balance out the tart or something like that. I don't know, but it's the best. Now you know I couldn't eat spaghetti without. Come on, son. Spaghetti is a easy meal to cook, and it can last you a couple of days, maybe more than that, depending on how much you cook. And it's so good. Like, it actually tastes better the more the time goes. So tomorrow it's gonna taste even better. But this is so good. Wow. Wow. That's banging. You see that smoke? It's hot. That thing is scorching. It's scorching. I'm hungry. So don't mind me. I'm hungry. Listen. The last 3 bosses that I had were all vegan. So it kind of made me want to be vegan too. So I was vegan slash pescatarian slash vegetarian for like a year. So I found a way to make a bomb vegan spaghetti, bomb vegan chili with Beyond Meat. And you can buy the Beyond Meat at Whole Foods. Listen, nobody make the Beyond Meat chili and spaghetti like me. I'm sorry. We can't. It's good. I'm gonna tell you why. One year for Super Bowl, my boss asked me to make it for him. And I made it. And he didn't tell nobody it was vegan. I kid you not. Everybody tore that chili up. They didn't ask questions. They didn't say, "Oh, this is weird. This doesn't taste right." Listen, they didn't do none of that. They tore it up. It was gone. Licked the bowls, all that. At the end, he said, "Yo, y'all just ate vegan chili." So it's possible you can make vegan chili taste like real beef if you know what you're doing. You just gotta know what you're doing. You feel me? You just gotta know what you're doing. Period. Oh, I got me some. This is Simply Lemonade's peach lemonade. And I tell you, this is good. Watch this. Wait. I don't know what they put in Simply Lemonade, but that be so good. I literally love almost all the flavors they got. The peach is really good. Their fruit punch is good. Try it out if you haven't had it. You gotta try it out. You have to. All right. It's time to add some more. You gotta have more cheese and more hot sauce. It really makes it delicious. Listen to that. Y'all, this spaghetti is so good. I wish you could have some, really, because I don't want to like hype my own food up, but it's really that good. I want to do a video on how I make it really soon. I'll show you my secrets, okay? A deal. I promise. Pinky promise. Hope my nail clean. It's clean. All right, cool. I'm like, I hope I ain't picky promising y'all on camera with a dirty nail, but it's clean. Cause I know y'all be talking in the comments. Did y'all see online where a dude was so mad at Popeyes that he sued them? Like he's suing Popeyes because they ran out of chicken. He was like, hey, I can't get happy. You know, it's on my mind too much. I can't concentrate. I can't think straight. The chicken's on my mind. So hey, I have no choice but to sue you. I'm like, yo, you got a problem. If you guys sue a fast food restaurant because they sold out some food, you got a problem on your hands. You won't win that lawsuit. Come on, son. Like, really? You're not gonna win. Get over yourself. Really. You're not gonna win. It ain't gonna happen. I like a lot of cheese on mine. Listen, don't judge me. It's what I like. You know, that cheese, it has to be Kraft. Once again, it's a big difference. It has to be Kraft. I can't stress it enough. Well, listen, guys, my time has ran up. I gotta go. Peace out.